Hello everyone, I am Ajay and welcome back to yet another episode of Dextrose. In this video, I am going to discuss about a laboratory equipment that is Vortex mixer. A Vortex mixer is a laboratory device used for mixing of small vials of liquid. It is used in a lab for mixing of reagents, suspensions or cell cultures. A vortex mixer operates by creating a swirl flow pattern which promotes thorough uniform mixing. So now we are going to see how a vortex mixer looks and how to operate it. So let's have a look. So this is how the vortex mixer looks. It consists of a rubber cup on which the sample has to be placed for proper mixing. It has a speed knob with which we can adjust the speed of the sample. So this is the button which we have to keep it in direct mode when the sample is placed for proper mixing. Now we should first check the connections. We have to on the button, keep it on direct mode. We have to take the sample which is for mixing and adjust the speed. Make sure you should not hold the sample very tightly. The swirl flow pattern is created, as you can see, for the uniform mixing. This is how the mixing happens in a vortex mixer. Now slower down the speed. That's it. Thanks for watching. So for more such informative videos, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Dextrose Technologies Pvt Ltd. Thank you.